delivery man try and send the product to your customer's warehouse. They can wear a t-shirt like this with your logo, with your product information, the contact information, and you can see like this. It is very professional.
Yes.
Wear a hat with your logo,
Yes.
with a t-shirt with your logo, and drive your car to send the product to the customer's warehouse. It is very professional.
Yes. Also, you can design
The stand.
yes. So you can install to show how to the adjustable famous personalized and integrate install on the ceiling.
Yeah. You can put it in your office, in the showroom, like us. And when you attend the exhibition, you can use this stand to install the samples. It is very professional.
Yes.
And also we can design different catalog for you.
You can use your own logo on the catalog to show you your colors.
You can choose the color, and the style of the catalog, and what product you want to put, what information you want to show.
Yes.
You can all share with us your idea,
Yes.
and we will finish it for you. You can share your idea with our designer, what style of package you like,
Yes.
and we will work for you.
Yes. Also, we have some promotion gift to help you.
With more sales.
Yes.
So we can have a look. You can see with this kind of cups,
Yes.
to drink water.
Yes.
So
Pen.
pen, gold pen. You can print your logo, your website, or television.
Yes.
On it. Some pens. So we can also provide these cards.
Yes. The promotion you can sell with your products.
It will help you to attract more customers.
Yes.
Because if you can provide more service to your customer, they will like to work with you better.
Yes.
And this is the bag.
Yes.
We have different kind of bag for you.
We also have this one.
This one is made by paper.
Welcome to design your colorfuls, your promotion kit.
So you can see we are not only provide very good product for you to sell, and also we can provide very good service for you.
Yes.
To this kind different promotion stuff for you.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any question to ask us now? You can also leave us message
Yes.
if you have any questions or you want to test our samples. We will arrange for you.
Yes.
Okay. So today we are almost finished here,
Yes.
and hope to receive your news soon.
Yes.
Many samples is waiting for you.
Yes. Welcome to contact us.
Yes. See you next time. Please take care of my friends. Okay. Bye.
Bye.